welcome back to my channel. And today I have a special video that I've been wanting to do since 1942, and it is the Yoni steam. Yeah, you heard me, the Yoni steam. Of course, some of you guys are like wondering, like, what is a Yoni steam? It's a vaginal steam, you know. You sit on a pot or the toilet or chair, whatever, and you boil some herbs on the stove, and then that steam rises up into your vagina, and Yoni, don't demonetize me, it's Yoni, and it cleanses. It's just so many benefits to it. So I am happy to be able to try this out. And yeah, so I'm going to let's look at the instructions on what I need to do. So the instructions: bring 8 cups of water to a boil. Okay, I have my 8 cups here on the stove. You'll see that in just a second. And add the herbs to the pot. Simmer for 5 minutes, covered. Then remove from heat. Let steep for another 5 minutes, covered. Pour water into a bowl you have placed in the toilet. I have my bowl over here on the sink because I had to wash it out. Different story. And let's see, make sure it's not too hot. Remove underwear. I ain't got none on, so already a step ahead of you. And let's see, drape a large blanket or a sheet around your waist to the floor, making sure no steam escapes. Steam for about 15 to 20 minutes or until all the steam is gone. And it is recommended twice a month, once before your cycle and then once afterwards. This is after my cycle, so yeah. So okay, let me look up benefits. I already know some, you know, because I did do some research for my fertility journey, and you know, it does help with fertility, so that was a big plus on mine, you know. And it's good for PCOS, fibroids and all that, those cysts. And I have endometriosis stage 3 to be exact, and that was another thing that drew me into it, because people who don't have endometriosis don't know many facts about it. Like for me, I am in pain. I have pain in my uterus 24/7, and sometimes it gets so bad where I don't want to be touched, I don't want to be looked at, I don't want to get out of bed, because that's how bad it hurts. And I heard it's supposed to help with anxiety. I have anxiety, bad, somewhat. But yeah, you know, let me look at the other benefits and I'll tell you that, because I know it helps with the pH balance, and I know some of y'all, never mind. So yeah, like I said, it helps with fertility, boosting fertility. It helps with your menstrual cycle. It helps you regulate your periods. It helps with bloating, cramps, exhaustion, heavy bleeding, promoting healing after childbirth, for you baby bloomers out there. Stress, hemorrhoids, gives you energy, reduces fatigue, treats headaches, all types of things. So I'm gonna stop talking now, and I'm gonna get into it. Sorry for the lighting. Some of you know I am moving and I don't have my little lights here, but yeah, so let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been simmering for about 5 minutes, about 20 seconds before the 5 minutes is over. Right now I can tell you it smells herbal, very herbal. It smells like tea, like jasmine is in there, and some sage, some mint. I don't know. It smells earthy, very earthy. Sorry if you hear cars going by. It got hot in this kitchen. So I let it simmer. So now I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes. And yeah, so I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go pour it in the toilet and sit on it. Okay, so let's go. It's my hair. Ooh, that thing hot, boy. Oh, Jesus. Oh. 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 Got me itching, boy. Lord. Woo. Woo. Alright. 30 minutes. Ooh, I'm gonna try to reflect on my life. Oh! Oh! Oh, Jesus. Ooh. And I'm gonna read. I'm gonna try to read. Want something inspirational. Oh, Jesus, that's hot. Ooh. Okay. I need all the benefits, all right? Let me sit on back down. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, let me pray. Okay. All right now. Jesus. Benefits all around me every day. Ooh, I shouldn't have sat on this thing. Yeah, so I just got done with my steam and I feel good. I feel rejuvenated. I feel feel like it went like through my whole body and like cleansed me. You know, it got all the, what can I say? Like it detoxed me. I feel it detox. Like I feel good. I feel sleepy. I don't feel the energy yet, but I do, I feel good. That's all that mattered to me. First thoughts on it, that stuff burned. I don't know why I didn't check it. It said to check it. And yeah, that thing was hot, boy. My whole booty was hot. I almost melted my booty off. I kept sliding. But overall, I have nothing bad to say about it. Feels good. I do recommend it. I wish I had another one so I can try that one, you know, to do it twice a month. But I'm gonna try it again so you'll see another review. But so far I say you go get you one. Mama Ray, girl, you knew what you was doing when you asked me to try it, cause we was here. Cause that was beautiful. I read my book and I understood it, and it just gave me a different aspect of life. You know, it says to just reflect, use that time to reflect and, you know, journal, read, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you set a like ambience for your, I said that totally wrong, for, you know, your atmosphere is clean, cleared mind. You know, you could do little candles around there. But yeah, I didn't have none of that. But overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. And I will be doing it again. So make sure you go get one. I will put her Instagram on the screen, and I'll put a link to the store in the description box below. So tell a friend, tell your friend's friend, tell your mama's friend, tell your grandma's friend, tell anybody who want to get their Yoni intact. Some of y'all do need it. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
The hosters, need what? Risque.